Ready to master Brevo from beginner to advanced. Well, in this complete guide, I'll walk you through the platform's most important features, including account setup, contact management, email campaigns, automation, transactional emails, analytics, and best practices. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid understanding of how to use Brevo for professional email marketing. First, sign in to your Brevo account. If you're new, complete the account setup by verifying your email address, adding your sender information, and verifying your sending domain. Spending a few minutes configuring these settings now can improve your email deliverability later. Next, head over to the Contacts section. Import your existing subscribers using a CSV file, add contacts manually, or collect new subscribers through sign-up forms. Organizing your audience into lists or segments makes it much easier to send targeted campaigns. Now open the Campaigns section and click Create Campaign. Choose your recipients, write an engaging subject line, and design your email using Brevo's drag-and-drop editor or one of the available templates. Before sending, preview your campaign on both desktop and mobile devices. After that, move to the Automation section. Create workflows that automatically send welcome emails, follow-up messages, abandoned cart reminders, or other personalized emails based on customer actions. So automation helps you save time while delivering more relevant experiences. If your website or application sends order confirmations, password resets, or account notifications, set up Brevo's transactional email service. You can connect your website using the API, SMTP credentials, or supported integrations like WordPress and other business tools. Finally, review your campaign reports on a regular basis. Monitor delivery rates, open rates, click rates, bounce rates, and conversions. Use these insights to improve your subject lines, email content, audience segmentation, and sending schedule over time. And that's it. You've successfully learned the fundamentals of mastering Brevo in 2026. Once you're comfortable with contacts, campaigns, automation, transactional emails, and analytics, you'll be ready to build more effective email marketing systems with confidence. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Brevo tutorials, marketing tips, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.